afternoon, friends. It is a rainy, cold day today. It's like we've gone back into winter. Yeah, so we just got the irrigation in just in time for the rain. I finished filming yesterday pretty early on after lunchtime because I just wanted to enjoy Charlotte's birthday, enjoy Charlotte, enjoy family time. And it was a lovely day. Charlotte loved all her presents and she's eagerly waiting for her books to arrive. So hopefully they arrive tomorrow or Wednesday. This morning we went into town. The puppies had an appointment at the vet's and they did really well. They're perfect, so that's good. I also packaged some orders and I got those off. And we've just had lunch and finished our board game that we started last night. And I've been knitting these stocking decorations. I will link the pattern below. So I finished this one a while ago. It just needs all the ends sewn in and part of the seam joined. And then I found deep in my stash, I found these alpaca yarns. So these are 100% alpaca. And I thought they were pretty sweet, so I cast on and finished a stocking, and I knit them in a larger size needle because it's a thicker yarn, but I don't like it as much. So I'm now knitting it on the same size needles as I did the thinner yarn, and it's coming out so much nicer than this one. So I'm happy with this. So I'm going to continue making this one. I'm going to sew this one up and I might felt it. So it'll be a tiny stocking with the 100% alpaca. So I'm really excited about making these, but right now I need to sit down and get cracking on the kids' Christmas gifts. And I need to clear out of here so that Hazel can do some sewing because she's making some sewing gifts. So I won't finish these ones until I've done a bit of knitting on gifts. Yeah, I've done one arm of the mouse, so I'm gonna get the next arm done and hopefully the body, and then I just need to do the legs and then get on to the next toy. Okay, so I'm going to go off and do some knitting, and I'm going to make myself a nice cup of tea and I'm going to eat some gingerbread.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters.